Today we will see array option inside copy command. In this file I have drawn first step of a staircase. I am going to draw a staircase having 10 steps. I will use array option in the copy command to prepare this stair. Let us see how I am going to prepare that staircase. For that I am taking the first command copy. CO is the short key for our copy command. Now it is asking to select the objects. I have selected the objects. After that we will press the enter button. Now the software is asking for a base point. I am giving here the base point as this point, the last point of the stair, the end point of the riser. Okay. Now we have to give the second point, or there is an option called array within the bracket here. Now I am going to use this option array. Now the command window has changed to enter the number of items to array. So I need 10 steps. So my total number of items should be, including this, the portion which I have drawn on the sheet, including that portion I need 10 steps. So I have given the number of items 10 items. Finish to enter, press the enter button. Okay, now you can see 10 steps are visible in our screen. So now it is asking for the second point. So I am giving the second point at the end of the thread. Okay, here I am giving my second point. So I will click here. Okay. Now command is finished. I have given escape button so that I got 10 steps in my drawing. So in order to complete this stair, I am drawing a line from here to here, giving an offset of 10. Now the figure is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.